In this big product store review video, I want to talk about some of the things you need to make sure you take into account when you're looking to buy PLR products, which are private label rights products online. PLR products are great because it's done for you content that then you can repurpose. You can use it as is, you can rebrand it, you can use it for content on websites, emails, newsletters, videos, etc. And so it's great. If you don't like creating content, if you're not good at creating content, if you prefer to save time, then PLR can be really, really helpful for your online business. But there's some things you really have to make sure you take into account when you're looking to buy PLR. There's lots of online websites that sell PLR products. However, you want to make sure they meet certain criteria. So let's go through these. You want to make sure that the PLR site offers products that are from a variety of niches. Now, sometimes you find websites that sell PLR products only in certain niches, and so you're limited. And so then you may end up having to, buy PLR products from multiple websites. But it's important that ideally you can find a site that offers a variety of niches. So maybe health, fitness, self-help, weight loss, make money online, entrepreneurship, survival prepper. You want to make sure it covers a variety of niches. You also want to make sure that they have a variety of products that they offer. So different types of products. Ebooks, articles, videos, audio files. Some will have WordPress themes, plugins, quote packets, but just a variety of products, okay? You don't want to just have only ebooks that you can choose from. You want to be able to have, the option to choose different types of products. You want to make sure that they're current products. You don't want products that have information from 10 or 15 years ago. You want to make sure it's current information, the graphics look good, that it's something that you would be, willing to put your name on. Because that's when you're buying PLR, that's basically what you're doing. You're able to put your name on it as though it's your own product. Now, you can rebrand PLR, so you can, get new graphics made up, and that's certainly something to consider. However, you don't want to have to go through and edit the product. You don't want to have to, spend a lot of time. Now, you probably do want to read through it, make sure it's good information, current, etc., but you don't want to have to go through and do a major rewrite, so you want to make sure the products are current. You want to make sure the site that you buy PLR products from have been around, that they're not just some, fly-by-night where you pay for products or you pay for a membership, and then you go back in a week or two and they're gone, okay? So you want to make sure they have some longevity and that they're going to be around when you need them. And then you want to look at pricing structure. Lots of different PLR sites offer a variety of pricing structures. Some will just sell products as one-offs. So you buy that specific product and that's it. When you want to buy another one, you pay for it. That has some benefits and some downside. The big downside is it's usually much, much more expensive to buy products one at a time. You'll certainly see membership options where you pay monthly or yearly. The downside is once you stop paying, then you don't have access to that membership site anymore until you start paying again. And then some will sell on a credit basis where you have to buy credits, and then different products cost a different amount of credits, and so you have to make sure you have enough credits, and that can be a little complicated. So because you got to convert the credits and the pricing, and like there's one website where like an ebook could cost you $20, when based on the number of credits, etc. So just be aware of pricing. So I do think I've looked at lots of different PLR websites before. I've bought PLR from lots of different places. And I gotta say, bigproductstore.com, the site has always impressed me. And impressed me enough that I did go ahead and buy a lifetime membership to it. We'll see what that is in a minute. But let's go through the bigproductstore.com site and see how they cover these different things. First, we're just going to look at variety of products. They do have a couple different membership options, although you can create a free account and get free products. So they do have a free option. Their basic membership they have two different membership plans. One is their standard membership, in which you have access to these different types of products: audio products, templates and graphics, contents. Those are usually like articles, video products, ebooks, WordPress templates, tools. WordPress plugins, themes, tools, and other. And then they have another membership where you get all the standard products, but then you also get exclusive products that are exclusive to Big Product Store. And again, you can see what those are down here, and we'll go through the pricing between the standard and the exclusive membership in just a second. So, but basically, we do want to make sure, again, that they're going to be around. So let's look at their longevity. They have, let me just go back to their homepage. They've been online since 2012, uploading. They upload pretty much every single day. They have really over 15,000 PLR products. And again, they do add every day. So you're getting quality products. And I believe I am logged in right now. So let's just go to browse all products and see what they have to offer, right? Because we want to make sure they're current. We want to make sure, they do have variety, so we kind of hit on that. But let's make sure they have a variety of different niches as well. So when you go and search for products, they basically upload them, and then they're categorized by date that they were uploaded. So today's February 16th, and you can see, here's a business quote pack that you could get, animated business quotes, video marketing video. So these are video files. This is a video marketing ebook. So these were all added today, those four. Yesterday you had an education magazine. So if you're in the education niche, again, here's video marketing niche, business niche, music. So if you need music for different things you're working on, here's some animated brainy quotes, so kind of more inspirational. Here's healthy living, healthy video. Quote pack. Here's healthy video, again, quotes. Some animated birthday quotes. Battle your fears, so self-help. Here's real estate. So, quite a variety of niches for sure. You can search, based on the type of product you're looking for: audio versus articles, ebooks, videos, etc. You can search by product license, right? So, if you just want something with giveaway rights, maybe you want to be able to sell reseller rights. So there's master resale rights, personal use, etc. And then a lot of times what I do is I just search by, a topic, right? So for my health channel, I do lots of different health topics. And so you can see they have, I've grabbed several of these keto books, taken the text from the keto book, and turned it into a video. And a lot of them, in the books, this is actually one I did recently, it turned out the text from this book was a 20-minute long YouTube video that I uploaded, and really easy to use in that way. And so you can see there's lots of different options. You can see it's all pretty recent. And so you can just go through and you can just search, by different keywords, terms, depending on what you're trying to, what you're looking for. So if you're just looking for video products, or whatnot. So let's see, right. So what are those membership options? If we scroll down and, they tell you, hey, what is it? They upload online, digital products, tens of thousands, pretty much covers everything. Yeah, so they have over 15,000 products right now. And they talk about how you can use them, etc. Online since 2012, so they have the longevity. They upload pretty much every single day. And when you're looking at your membership options, you basically have, again, the two plans. The blue is the standard plan, and there's a monthly or a one-time payment. And then the red is their exclusive product line. So that includes the standard products plus their exclusive products. So when I joined Big Product Store, they only had the standard. And I did get the one-time payment, because the way I looked at it was $20 a month. After 5 months, I'm paying more than I am for the one-time payment. So I did the lifetime payment. Do whatever think is best for you. Again, if you want the exclusive so you have access to more, then it's $30 a month or a one-time payment of $198.50. The nice thing is, like it says, it's unlimited access and download, so you have access to everything under whichever plan you go with. And you can download it over and over and over again, so you're not limited. Again, some sites, they limit it to one download, then you got to actually buy it again if you want to. And you get access to everything, so you're not paying per product. You're just paying either a monthly or a one-time lifetime fee, and then you have access to everything on their site. So I think it's great. I found it super helpful. If you need to get quality PLR, a variety of niches, and a variety of different products that is also current, and you want to make sure that the PLR site is going to be around, then you definitely need to look at bigproductstore.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you'd like to come and check it out. Thanks so much for watching the video. Appreciate a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe so you can get more videos from me.